What's up guys, this is Asfar from Wavely, and in this video I want to quickly talk about a new strategy that you can use in your Facebook ads in 2019 called campaign budget optimization. If you're interested to learn more about Facebook marketing and how to get better at making ads, run them, test them, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to get notified on our latest videos. Now, this video is going to be a bit heavy on the technicals compared to our other videos. We're assuming that you're already pretty good at running Facebook ads and testing them and making them. But if you're not and you still want to keep watching this video, that's cool. You do you, because it's going to come in handy later when you run your own Facebook ads. So what is campaign budget optimization, or CBO, all about? Well, basically it's a new way to set your budget on your Facebook ads. Now, typically if you look at your normal Facebook ad campaign, you'd set the budget at the ad set level. But with CBO, you can now set it at the campaign level. Now, CBO has been around for quite a while already, but it's been an optional feature so far. But starting from September this year, all of your ad set budgets are going to be replaced by campaign budgets. It's pretty safe to assume that not a lot of people who run Facebook ads are using this feature properly or using it at all. So if you haven't tested this feature yet, now's the perfect time to start. Now, why should you use campaign budget optimization? Facebook wants to optimize your budget and distribute that budget more efficiently by giving more budget to your top performing ad sets. Now, if you use this feature correctly, that means you're going to spend less time managing your campaigns and you're going to get better results, because Facebook is going to spend more on your best ad sets and less on the ad sets that aren't performing. And Facebook wants to help you find the lowest and cheapest cost per result, so overall you're going to get a better return on your ad spend and you're going to get more value from your campaigns. I'm going to help you visualize this. So on the left, we don't have a campaign budget. The budget is set at the ad set level instead. So let's say you have 3 ad sets and you set the budget for each ad set at $10. You get 3 conversions from ad set A, 5 from ad set B, and 2 from ad set C, so your total conversion is going to be 10. Even though ad set B performed way better, Facebook couldn't spend more to get more results on this ad set B because of the ad set budget. But if you use CBO, you'll set the same budget, $30, at the campaign level. And because ad set B performed way better, Facebook can spend more on that ad set to get more conversions. So instead of just getting 10 total conversions, you're going to get 15, which is going to bring down your cost per result. Now, as I said earlier, Facebook is going to replace all ad set budgets with campaign budgets later in September this year. Now, if you're pretty experienced at running Facebook ads, this might throw you off balance a little bit and make you worry. Here are some things that you should be aware. Because campaign level budgets are going to replace ad set level budgets, you won't be able to set a daily or a lifetime budget at the ad set level anymore. And you're not going to have the same control over how you want your budget to be spent. What I mean by that is that you're going to have to trust Facebook's algorithm to automatically distribute and allocate your budget in your campaign in real time. Yes, it means that you're going to have to trust Facebook's algorithm to decide which ad sets are successful and which are not. But that doesn't mean that Facebook's going to funnel all your budget in one campaign to just one ad set. If you still want some control, here's what you can do instead. Set minimum and maximum ad spend limits on the ad set level. This is going to be very useful if you have 2 ad sets and you want to test one on a new market versus the current one. This is because campaign budget optimization won't really account for the long-term gain that you can get from exploring the new market. So you're going to have to test it out yourself and spend a little bit. But before you do that, you should be aware that if you do this, it will affect your CBO testing, because the more rules you set on specific ad sets, the less flexible Facebook's delivery system is going to be. Based on what we've learned from our own testing, here's what you should do instead if you want to maximize your testing with CBO. The first thing that you can do is give Facebook as many ad variations as possible. What we'll do is that we'll pull 7 to 10 of our winning ad sets and we'll put in at least 3 to 5 variations for each ad set. Having as many variations in the ad sets is going to give Facebook's algorithm a lot more things to choose from, and it will automatically learn which ad variation is the best performing when it's trying to distribute that budget. The second thing that you can do is duplicate your best performing ad sets into a separate campaign and turn CBO on. Now, this is assuming that all of your ad sets are delivering and you're trying to scale your spend further. Because if your ad sets are not delivering, Facebook's not going to have any opportunity to distribute that budget. No budget distribution, no results. Now, this video is going to be way too deep if we dive into how a Facebook algorithm works, but basically, it's designed to only pick the best result from each ad set. And CBO is only going to work best if each of your ad sets could spend the full budget that you set, theoretically. But realistically, Facebook's going to distribute the budget to all of your ad sets that are delivering, and not just to one ad set. Now, CBO is going to be a very helpful feature if you work at, let's say, an agency and you got a lot of campaigns to manage, because CBO is going to help reduce the number of budgets that you have to set and manage manually. Because let's say if you have 70 ad sets in one campaign, which by the way is the maximum, you don't have to set every budget manually 70 times. Even if you're not experienced at running Facebook ads, don't be scared by CBO, because this feature is going to make it easier for you to set up and manage your campaigns from the start. Alright, enough technicals. Here's a recap of what campaign budget optimization is all about. It's a new way to set your budget at the campaign level instead of at the ad set level. And it's going to be the default way to set budgets in September this year. With CBO, you're going to spend less time managing your campaigns, less time setting budgets manually. And overall, you're going to get more value from your campaigns and a better return on your ad spend. And if you want to test CBO, here's what you can do. You can set minimum and maximum spend limits. You can give Facebook as many ad variations as possible, ideally 3. And you can put your best performing ads in one campaign to scale further. CBO is useful for both experienced marketers who have a lot of campaigns to manage, and it's also useful for beginners who want an easy time setting up and managing their campaigns. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Do give campaign budget optimization a try on your own Facebook ads and let us know in the comments below. If you got some value from this video, do me a favor and give it a like, comment, and subscribe because it really helps us out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time in the next video.